back with our Land Rover Defender here, 2010 model Puma 2.4, and this Landy has had a bit of a problem with the water pump. It's been slowly using water. So this has been happening over the last little while, and fortunately, as you can see on the other side there, we've got a water monitor on the reservoir that warns us when the water goes down, and slowly the water's been going down. So we've noticed that it seems to be the water pump. We can see water has sprayed around here onto these pipes here. If you look up, you can see inside the bonnet there as well. So I've got Spencer and Braden here, and they are tackling the job for me. Mobile mechanic. SVG Motors, Spencer?
SVG Motors, yes.
That's it. We've got this front cover off here. He's made a drawing of where the belt goes. This is the fan removal job, so it's a size 36. Right, so now that's loose, fans come out. That makes room to get to the tension over there.
Right, okay, that's fine.
Okay, that's the belt done. Right, so we're starting to take the vacuum pump off now. We did take the black pipe out there, and just push like a push coupling. Also taken the intercooler pipe just to get it out of the way. Here's the intercooler pipe waiting there. So that is the vacuum pump. What does the vacuum pump do, Spencer?
Yes, yeah, that's the vacuum pump. Yeah.
What does it do?
That creates the vacuum for your brake booster.
Okay, so that pipe is off, the water pipe. The water's running out. And Braden is doing a good job of trying to catch it here. Don't let anything go in the driveway, Braden. I'm just joking. Now these two pipes here are probably going to be a little bit more tricky, those two there. So let's see how the master mechanic does it here. Just like that, that's one done already. Another third one down the bottom there. When you're a master mechanic, you know they say it's easy to land a plane if you're a pilot. Yes. Okay, and there comes the old water pump out. So I've seen other guys do this job, and they didn't take off that intercooler pipe, and they struggled to get the water pump out here. So taking the intercooler pipe off definitely is a win, because it just gives you so much more access to the bolts and to be able to get that pump out. So that's the old pump. We're going to take that back part off there. That's got to go onto the new one. Okay, so there we can see that's where the bolt's missing. So we need to try and get a bolt for that. So this is the next challenge, is to get these two apart, the plastic from the aluminium, and it fits into there. It's a water flange, so there you can see it's got to go in there. So we want to get that out without breaking it. So to get that plastic part out, we just do not want to damage it. We've eventually stripped the water pump. So just looking at the rust on this impeller here, this tells me that this vehicle at some stage was running water, and that's a good example of why you need to use an antifreeze and not just water in your cooling system. And just look at this, look at all that build up on here. It's terrible. So now we're just heating up the bottom a little bit, and just to see if that will expand the metal part, we can stick the plastic in. So we've got this oil filter chain loose now on here, and we're just trying to get it to him. There we're moving now. There we go. Just like that, it's out. So there's the new pump going back. We've got that black housing onto the back of it. Was there anything special you had to do there, Spencer?
Just to clean surface.
Just to clean it. And where did the O-ring go?
O-ring goes on that flange housing, in the
On
water
the
house
flange.
flange housing.
On the black piece.
Yes. Longer extension, please. Longer extension.
Right, that's the belt back. All the pipes on. Next is the intercooler pipe. Pipes back. Oh dear, look what we saw. Antifreeze, do not drain. Now what? It's a fan vac. Let's tighten the fan. Right, next thing, top up the antifreeze. Still going in, nearly taken the whole 5 liters now. We've got this bleed screw open here. We'll wait for the water to come out here. Cut. Getting more here out here.